Good morning, children. This is our English grammar class. In our previous class, we have learned to make plural by adding s, es. Okay. Now we will learn some other words that ends with f or fe. If the noun ends with f or fe, we will change it to ves to make plural. Okay, f or fe. If the word ends with f or fe, then we will change f to ves to make it plural, or fe to ves to make it plural. Okay, so look at the examples. First one, SHELF. SHELF. It ends with F. So we have to change it to VES to make it plural. So it becomes selves. Okay. LIFE. 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 Life ends with FE. FE. So we write LIVES to make it plural. Okay, children. जो नाउन्स एफ या फिर एफी से ख़त्म होता है, एंड होता है, उसका एफ और एफी को चेंज करके VES लिखते हैं हम लोग उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. ठीक है, लाइक WIFE. यहाँ पे देखो लास्ट में एफी है, एफी से एंड हो रहा है, सो एफी को चेंज करके हम लोग VES लिखेंगे इसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए, तब ये बन जाएगा वाइफ्स. ओके, सेम एज CALF, काफ. वी चेंज F to VES and it becomes calves. Okay, half, halves. Next page. Okay, now you can solve this page. Children, you have to make it plural. Change F to VES to write and write the plural. Okay, like here you have to write loaves, LOAVES. Okay, you solved number 3 and 4 by your own. Now children, look at these words, these nouns. It does not follow any particular rule. Okay, so you can't make it plural by simply adding s or es. कुछ ऐसे भी नाउन हैं जो कि प्रॉपर एस एस या फिर VES ये सब ऐड करके प्लूरल हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. जैसे मैन, इसका प्लूरल है मेन, MEN. ओके, फुट, फीट. प्लूरल ऑफ चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रेन. प्लूरल ऑफ माउस, माइस. ओके, next, rewrite the sentences after changing the highlighted words into their plural form. One has been done for you. Look children, here you have to write the plural form of the given nouns. Like here you have to write the girl, no, girls. Plural of girl, girls. Okay, put the plural of egg, eggs. Okay, in the baskets, baskets. Okay, in the baskets you have to write baskets, KETS. Okay, to make it plural. In this way you have to write the remaining sentences. Remember, you have to write the plural of the given highlighted nouns. Okay, so number 3, the birds flew over the tree. You have to write the birds flew over the tree. So children, complete this page also. Now, okay children, this one. In the story given below, underline all singular nouns and circle all plural nouns. Underline all singular nouns. Okay, this is a story given and you have to read and underline all singular nouns and circle plural nouns. Let's read. A tortoise. Tortoise is a singular noun, so underline. And two geese. Two geese, plural, so you have to circle this. Were good friends. They lived by a river. River, singular. In a jungle. Okay. Once there was a drought. The river started drying up. The people and animals were dying. The geese decided to go to some other place. Okay, so in this way you have to underline the singular noun and circle the plural noun. Children, try to solve this page. Next day I will discuss the answer once again, but first you try by your own. Okay, so next day I will discuss the answer, all the answers, and go to the next chapter. Thank you.